Hi everybody, Dylan from IP Phone Warehouse here again, back with another product video. Today we will be unboxing and taking a look at the Yealink BH76 Bluetooth headset Teams Edition. The BH76 Bluetooth headset will actually allow you to choose between a couple of different options. The first option is either the UC version or the Teams version. This one is going to be the Teams version. You'll be able to choose between a wireless USB-A or a USB-C dongle. This one will be the USB-A dongle. With this dongle, you will be able to connect it to a PC, a laptop, or a VoIP phone. Otherwise, you can use the Bluetooth option and connect it to a tablet, smartphone, or a Bluetooth compatible VoIP phone. Another option is going to be the color, so you'll choose between black or gray. This will be the black version. And then the last one is you'll be able to choose whether you want just the headset or have it come with a wireless charging stand. This one will come with the wireless charging stand. With that stand, you'll be able to charge it wirelessly or hang it on top, which I'll show you later. And then there will actually be a platform to charge your smartphone wirelessly. So this headset is known for its active noise cancellation. It uses 5 microphones to sense the distracting noises around you, cuts it out, and then it makes your voice crystal clear if you are on a call, and then also obviously cutting out those distracting noises. It will give you an amazing 100 feet of wireless range. It will give you about 35 hours of talk time, about 40 hours of music time, and then around 112 hours of standby time. So let's open up this box and see what it looks like on the inside. So we're gonna get rid of our quick start guide. Comes right away with our case. Nice leather case here. Open that up. That's about all that's inside there. So here is our headset. Looks like we just have our charger for our base, and that should be it. Let me get that out of the way. Actually, I think our dongle is going to be in here. Yep, our dongle is going to be right in here. I'm just going to keep that in there so I don't lose it. So right away here we have these leather cushions, very soft, letting you know right and left. We have our retractable mic. Put this on. Very soft and very comfortable. So moving this in and out, if I push it in, my call will actually be muted. If I'm on a call, I can bring it back out. So these ears swivel, allowing you to be able to lay it flat on the ground like this or on a table if you need to. Also, when you have it on your ears, around your neck, you can move it and lay it flat like this if you need to be more comfortable. Rotates all the way around. So the headset will also come with a 360-degree busy light. So when you are on a call, the busy light will show. People will know when you are on a call. That way they will not distract you or interrupt you while you are calling somebody. So on this BH76 headset, we are actually going to have 7 buttons. So starting on our left side here, we're going to have our dedicated Teams button to open up Teams. We're going to have our active noise cancellation button where we can keep that on or off. So having it on obviously will activate the active noise canceling, and having it off will put it in a mode where you can actually hear through to hear noises in the background if you need to do that. And then on the other side, we will have our mute button, our power button, our volume up, our volume down, and then our answer end. This will also be a pause if we have music or a play, and then this will also be a skip track or a back track, again, if we are playing music. So here's going to be a better view of our buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, And then just the two on this left side here. Teams, active noise cancellation, volume up, volume down, power, and then mute on the top here. To charge a headset is actually very easy. You just find the side where it shows where to charge. You take that, you lay it flat on the headset, and then it just falls in just like that. The headband is just going to fall right through this little gap here, and then it wirelessly charges like that. Then you can also charge your smartphone on this same pad here. You can take your headset and lay it on the rest right here. Take a smartphone, place it on the charging pad, and then your smartphone will be charging. Here's a closer look on how to charge your headset. Find the charging side. We have our base plugged in. We just lay that flat. And as you can see, we are now charging. And then this light will be showing that we are also charging. And here you can put your headset right on this rack and then charge your smartphone right underneath it. So if you did not want to charge your headset with the wireless charging stand, it does come with a regular charging cord that will be able to plug into any USB compatible charging device. To power this headset on, all we're going to do is hold the power button for a couple seconds. And you will hear the voice say power on. Switch between active noise canceling and off, and turn it off. And we just turn it off there, hold it down for a few seconds, and we will hear the power off. So here's a better view of what it looks like when it's on. A close-up view. Very high quality headset. The Yealink BH76 is a very high quality Bluetooth headset that has active noise cancellation, amazing sound quality, long-lasting talk time, and is very easy to use. If you have any other questions about this headset, any other headsets, or any other Yealink products, visit our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next product video.